Pay no mind to the mayhem behind me. It's goblin season. My husband is out of town. So anyway, I finally got suckered into the miniverse thingies. But I wasn't interested in the food ones because mini food the world makes well already. But these are mini things for your mini house. And we're going to do 4 and see which ones we get because it's also a mystery. Fun! And we get to use a UV light. Also that. So let's do it. Well, hello everyone, and I'm sorry if you can hear my fan, but it's that, or you get to see my hands be real shiny and sweaty, and I don't think anybody, including me, likes that. So anyway, I have 4 of the Make It Mini Lifestyle Series 1. These are all UV resin toys, which means we can use our UV flashlight to cure the glue. Now, I'm primarily fascinated in this for my Calico Critter planned project for the winter, which I have not announced to anyone, but it involves Calico Critters, and I have bought too much stuff. So anyway, I have never gotten to unbox one of these. I have watched people like Jackie over with the Salt Shaker family, who likes to build lots of these. I've seen her do them. And I like UV resin, but mostly I like the packaging. They do really, really thoughtful packaging. So I thought it would be fun for us to unbox 4 of them together and see which ones we get. Since I've never done this before, I thought it would be great. Let's try it. I'm going to unbox one to get us started. Okay, so as you can see, we clearly got the cactus, which is very cute. I don't know if this is supposed to, I'm guessing it is, but I think this might be supposed to be like one of the circular wall shelves that are very trendy. Well, I guess it would have to go this way so that it was just supported, but I think it's supposed to be like one of those trendy wall shelves that you can set it on that. So that's very cute. We'll save that for a second. And then this, it's a cabana, I'm not sure. Okay, this one says read me first. Okay, the aquariums, the candles, the plants. That's us. Terrarium. We do not have that. Pot your plants by using the materials and step-by-step instruction card from your pack. I thought this was my step-by-step instructions from my pack. Pro tip, make sure the candle... No, we don't have a candle. Ooh, is there a candle? That's fun. Okay, so this is irrelevant. Throw that away. Irrelevant. Not helpful. What about you? Do you do anything helpful? What do you do? Oh, okay. So this will... Oh, my God. Oh, look how cute they are. Okay, I don't want to get spoiled. Okay, so this is the one I think we got right here. Cactus Twins. And I'm assuming that this is the recipe. Yes. Okay, so we are going to... 1... Oh, come on, buddy. You got it. Put the dirt in the hole. Come on. Come on. Do these ones not even resin? Are these just dirt? All right, well, I guess we shall see. Because I don't see any resin being added. These ones maybe just sit up? Well, that's less fun if there's no resin. Gonna be cranky about that. All right, let's try to assemble this. A little surprised that there's literally no resin when these used to be very resin oriented. However, it is adorable. And I will probably just add white glue to this dirt and make it a permanent affixed cactus. And I think it will look great with my little animal friends. I think it's adorable. They give you a ton of extra. The dirt feels like that kinetic sand, that like squishy kinetic sand. If you don't like that feeling, you may not want to get these because there's that kinetic sand feeling. I just don't love that it's not sturdy. Like I can't take this away around with me as a little kid. Like it's fragile, and I don't love that. So let me get cleaned up and we will do the next one. Okay, so it looks like we got another plant again. I did want to comment on how absolutely beautiful the details on the packaging are, and I have saved them so that we can all enjoy them at the end. There's a lot of detail put into these, so we've got some more dirt again. But, like you'll notice on the bags, they're all different characters on most of the bags. Like they could have had less effort. I think this one might be the same. The potting mix, yes. So the potting mix matches. This is pebble mix. The other one was rock mix. And so they all have these wonderful little characters on them. And these are actually quite sturdy and very nice for your like Barbie through Calico Critter size creatures. And then each of the little wrapping papers, which I love that it's not additional plastic because you've got a lot of plastic just in the toy. Oh, it looks like we got an aloe. The detail is really good on these. This one is good. It has like a little stick to stuff it down because that dirt is thick. And I think, going to glue these permanently. But even the paper is designed... Ooh, we got a little dish. Is designed to look like a super cute little newspaper. And I'm sure each one is specific to the type. But this one is Plant of the Month. Meet Pierce, who's a cactus. Hilarious. Growing pains? Get the potting soil. Keep calm and plant on. Like, there's a lot of actual detail put into this. And I appreciate that in a product when it's not just lazily constructed. The kids like the details, and by the kids, I mean adults who finally have enough money to buy all the toys that they wanted in their childhood. All right, let's assemble this little booger. I already got us all cleaned up, but you'll notice that this one, you got to smush two different kinds of kind of wacky sand in there. Now, the lower sand, you could definitely put UV resin in there and just seal that in there. I don't know if it would get the brown dirt because it needs the light to penetrate it. But the aloe vera is beautifully colored and absolutely adorable. All right, let's hope we don't get a plant for the next two, because otherwise we'll have got... I don't mind if we get all plants. I like all of these, but I would like something other than a plant, just for the experience, so I can play with some resin. All right, let's do it. Got a different one this time. This one just has some very cute, it says "You Glow" on the wrapper. Very cute. Put that over here with our little shelf. Oh my god, I don't want to open these. No! They could be on a little store shelf. Oh my goodness. They're much too cute. Oh, I don't even like messing up the packaging. It's so cute. Ah! But you could use this on any of... Oh my God, they're shaped. No. Oh no. Oh no, there's... Oh gosh, there's fluff in the bottom. I suppose you could pack them back in there when you're done. It says You Glow Sunshine Candle Company. Oh my, that's precious. Oh dear. All right, so it looks like we have a tray. We have the wicks that I don't ever want to open. And then we have eucalyptus scented beeswax. Oh, it's so cute. Let's find it. Ah, no, my shelf. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh my God. No, why are you like this? Nobody asked you to do that. Stop it. Stop it. Rude. Okay. Thank you, shelf. All right. I'm looking for it. I'm looking for it. There it is. Fresh eucalyptus candles. Okay. Our job is to put them in. 1. Why do they do it upside down? Bizarre. Okay. 1. Put the thingies in. 2. Put the drippies in. 3. Trim the wick. And also, oh, they might glow. Soft glow. Douce chaleur. Fancy. Eucalyptus. Okay. We can do this. I'm very excited. It's so cute. Oh, I don't want to open the little wick box. It seems like sacrilege to open it. It's too cute. I don't want to open you. Okay, we can do it. While this was curing with the light, I cleaned up the area. So here are our candles that are so cute, and I think they're totally going to glow. Yeah, there's going to be a soft glow in there. Anyway, we can trim the wicks now. Ooh, they're warm. It's an exothermic reaction, folks. Trim. Oh, so cute. I probably could have whacked these for a while or let them self-level for a bit, but didn't want to. I wanted to be done. Oh, but they're so cute. Look at them. Little candles. I love them. And now we have something that I think will fit on the shelf. Let us see. Oh, it does fit on the shelf. The shelf is more precarious than I would like, but it is in there. All right, let's unbox our last one. And I made the mistake of looking, and if I want one of the fish. I want one of the little animals. Let's see if we get one. Okay, well, while I am sad we got another plant, I'm not sad we got another plant, because how cute are these? We got like a little string of pearls and a little echeveria. So cute. All right, let's find them on our little, here's our little kitty cat. It says succulent pear number 2. Very good. And in this pear, we are just going to put the sandy bits in there and then put them in there. And this is where I probably will use some of my own UV resin or just general resin to permanentify these because I don't want them to come apart. All right, let's do it together. permanent on that one. My bad. Well, this sand was much stickier than the other sands. I will say that. The painting is gorgeous. This like a little echeveria and a little string of pearls here. The string of pearls is not super great about sitting in its house. I don't know if it wants to be in the other slightly taller pot. That is possible. Might just be a trading situation. Do you prefer to live in the cat? Do you prefer to live in this large pot? I'm sure this was on the instructions and I just ignored it. Maybe, because it fits better in here. Oh, yeah, well, that's probably how it's supposed to go. My bad. All right, well, there they are. Now they're correct. Kitty cat with an echeveria hat. I do just wish that these ones, you know, they were permanent, like all the others with their fun resin. But let's take a final look. So we have our super cute kitty cats with echeveria and string of pearls. We have two nice tall torch cactuses. We have our aloe in a bowl. And we have the candles. These are really, really adorable. I still think they're probably worth $10, even without having permanent fixation. I think that these are a great adult, like self-dopamine treat. And if you're a kid, you've got all this great stuff that you can repackage and put in a store for your doll houses. Or if you're a person, make a little garden store with all of the extra stuff. Because obviously, if you wanted to use these in a diorama situation, you certainly don't have to open all of these. Just use your own play dirt and then leave those in the bag. They would make really, really cute store items. Maybe I'll even refill them and do it myself. Well, anyway, thank you so much for coming along on this adventure, and I hope that you will watch another unboxing or perhaps consider coming to sew with me. Thank you so much to my patrons, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!